This is the magnetic phone holder with the suction cup design on the one end. Open it up here. This is what's included in the box. It's packaged up really nicely. Everything is nice and secure in here. It gives you the comes with wipes and the magnetic strip for inside the phone case if you don't have the magnetic back phone. It has the USB-C charging cable right here. Just has some brief instructions right here. But again, this is just a really great item. I like how it fits in the palm of your hand. It's really small. So if you're going to bring this with you on the go, it's really great. This is good for a car mount. If you're filming things like in your kitchen, somewhere like that, this is just a really great one. Why I picked this one up, I like the fact that when you open it up, it also extended right here. So you get a little bit more versatility other than just having a lot of them just open and close just like this. But here you can see it does the suction effect right here. As soon as it touches something, it does suction on there. And this is the USB-C charging port here. But this is just a really great item. This is going to let it go right here. But you can see as soon as it's on contact, it'll do the suction. See, and then you can see it's very, very secure on here. And then you just push the button, lets it go. But very happy with this. Definitely a really nice item. This is what sold me on here right where it opens up. So you just get it a little bit bigger here. If you have a Tesla, this is a really great mount because you could just put it on the back of the screen, pull out the mount right there, and then it's very very low profile. You can angle it different ways, but I'm very pleased with this mount. Glad I picked it up. And this is what the box looks like right here. It says 1 second vacuum absorption. It's got 30 suction times, and it's lasted for 60 days per charge. So definitely want to check this out. If you're looking for a suction magnetic mount, this is a really great item.